Hey there, future scientists! Get ready for some awesome hands-on fun. Today we're going to create a swirling tornado right before our very eyes. Don't worry, it's not the kind that sends houses flying. This tornado is safely contained in a bottle. It's a cool experiment and a chance to learn about the power of nature. Are you ready to become a weather wizard? Let's dive in. Before we unleash the fury of our bottled tornado, let's gather our scientific supplies. Don't worry, you probably already have most of these things at home. Here's what you'll need. 1 clear plastic bottle. A soda bottle works great. Water enough to fill the bottle almost to the top. Dish soap, a few drops will do the trick. Glitter optional for extra sparkle and pizzazz. See? I told you it was simple. Now that we have our tornado making toolkit ready, let's move on to the fun part. Creating the vortex. Alright, science explorers, it's time to unleash our inner meteorologists. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of weather phenomena by creating our very own tornado in a bottle. This simple yet captivating experiment will help us understand the dynamics of tornadoes in a fun and interactive way. Follow these easy steps to create your very own tornado in a bottle. Gather all the materials you need: a clear plastic bottle, water, dish soap, and some glitter if you want to add a bit of sparkle to your tornado. Make sure you have a secure cap for the bottle as well. First, fill your plastic bottle almost to the top with water. The water represents the air in our atmosphere, which is essential for tornado formation. Be careful not to overfill it, as we need some space for the air to move around. Next, squeeze in a few drops of dish soap. The dish soap helps to create the visible vortex by reducing the surface tension of the water, making it easier for the water to spin and form a tornado-like shape. If you want, sprinkle in a pinch of glitter for a dazzling effect. The glitter acts as debris in our mini tornado, making the swirling motion more visible and exciting to watch. It's like adding a bit of magic to our experiment. Tightly screw the cap back onto the bottle. Make sure it's secure to avoid any spills. This step is crucial because we need the bottle to be airtight for the tornado to form properly. Hold the bottle by the neck and swirl it around in a circular motion for about 10 seconds. The swirling motion simulates the rotational forces in a real tornado. Keep swirling until you see the water start to spin rapidly. Watch in amazement as a mini tornado forms inside the bottle. The vortex you see is similar to the one in a real tornado, where the air pressure and wind speed create a spinning column of air. Wow, you did it! That swirling water is just like a real tornado, only much smaller and safer. This experiment not only shows us the beauty of science, but also helps us understand the power and mechanics behind tornadoes. Now let's find out what makes this amazing effect happen. Tornadoes form when warm, moist air meets cool, dry air, creating a spinning effect due to the difference in air pressure. In our bottle, the swirling motion we created mimics this natural phenomenon, giving us a glimpse into the incredible forces of nature. Okay, science sleuths, let's break down the science behind our swirling spectacle. When you spin the bottle, you create a circular current of water called a vortex. This vortex looks like a mini tornado because of something called centripetal force. Centripetal force is like an invisible force that pulls things towards the center of a spinning motion. It's what keeps the water spinning in a circle instead of just sloshing around. Pretty neat, right? The dish soap helps create the tornado's funnel shape by making the water less resistant to flow. And the glitter? Well, that just makes the whole thing more mesmerizing. Hold your horses, junior meteorologists. Before you run off to create a whirlwind of bottled tornadoes, let's go over some safety tips. Remember, even though it's just water and soap, it's important to be careful. First, secure those caps. Make sure the bottle cap is screwed on tightly to avoid any spills. Next, be gentle with the swirling. Swirl the bottle with care to prevent it from slipping out of your hands. And lastly, watch out for slippery surfaces. Clean up any spills right away to avoid accidental slips and falls. Remember, safety always comes first when you're conducting experiments. Now that we've got that covered, let's uncover some fascinating facts about real tornadoes. Our bottle tornado was pretty cool, right? It's amazing how we can create a mini version of such a powerful natural phenomenon right in our own homes. But have you ever wondered what real tornadoes are like? They are far more fascinating and complex than our little science experiment. Let's dive into the world of real tornadoes and uncover some incredible facts about these awe-inspiring forces of nature. But real tornadoes are even more incredible. These natural wonders are both mesmerizing and terrifying. capable of immense destruction, but also showcasing the raw power of our planet's atmosphere. Tornadoes can form in a matter of minutes and can vary greatly in size, strength, and duration. Some last only a few minutes, while others can persist for hours, carving a path of destruction across the landscape. Here are some fun facts about these powerful forces of nature. First up, super spinners. Tornadoes are whirling columns of air that can spin incredibly fast, sometimes over 200 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's faster than the speed limit on most highways. This incredible speed is what gives tornadoes their destructive power, capable of lifting cars, tearing roofs off buildings, and uprooting trees. Tornadoes are whirling columns of air that can spin incredibly fast, sometimes over 200 miles per hour. Next, funnel vision. The iconic funnel shape of a tornado is one of its most recognizable features. This funnel is formed by the condensation of water vapor in the air, creating a visible column that extends from the base of a thunderstorm to the ground. The funnel can vary in width, from a few feet to over a mile wide, and its appearance can change rapidly as the tornado moves and evolves. Tornadoes often have a funnel-shaped cloud that extends from the sky to the ground. This funnel is not only a visual spectacle, but also a key indicator of the tornado's presence and strength. Meteorologists use the shape and size of the funnel to help determine the intensity of the tornado and to issue warnings to those in its path. And did you know they are color-coded? Tornadoes can appear in different colors depending on the debris they pick up. For example, a tornado moving over a field might appear brown or red due to the soil, while one passing over a body of water could look blue or gray. This color variation can provide clues about the tornado's path and the type of damage it might cause. Tornadoes can appear in different colors depending on the debris they pick up. This phenomenon adds to the eerie beauty of tornadoes, making each one unique in its appearance. The colors can also change as the tornado moves, picking up different materials along its path. It's a vivid reminder of the tornado's power to transform the landscape in an instant. Tornadoes travel with the thunderstorms that create them, but they can also change direction suddenly. This unpredictability makes them especially dangerous as they can shift course without warning, catching people off guard. It's important to stay informed and have a plan in place if you live in an area prone to tornadoes. Knowing the signs of an approaching tornado and having a safe place to take shelter can make all the difference. Tornadoes are a powerful reminder of nature's incredible forces. They demonstrate the sheer power and unpredictability of our planet's weather systems. While they can be devastating, they also inspire awe and respect for the natural world. By studying tornadoes, scientists hope to better understand these phenomena and improve our ability to predict and respond to them. While we can't control the weather, we can learn more about it and stay safe when storms approach. Educating ourselves about tornadoes and other severe weather events is crucial. By understanding the science behind these natural phenomena, we can better prepare for them and minimize their impact on our lives. So, the next time you see a bottled tornado, remember the incredible power of the real thing and the importance of staying informed and prepared. Our tornado in a bottle isn't just about spinning water, it also shows us the power of air pressure. When you swirl the bottle, you create a low-pressure area in the center of the vortex. The higher pressure air outside the vortex then rushes in to fill the space, creating the swirling funnel shape. You can see this same principle at work in other ways too. For example, when you blow air over a piece of paper, the paper rises because the fast-moving air creates a low-pressure area above it. Air pressure is all around us, even though we can't see it. It's what allows us to breathe, inflate balloons, and even drink through straws. Now that you're a tornado-making pro, why stop there? The world of weather experiments is vast and full of exciting possibilities. You can transform your home into a mini weather lab and explore the wonders of meteorology right in your living room. There are tons of other fun and easy weather experiments you can try at home. Make it rain. This simple experiment will show you how rain forms in the atmosphere. It's a great way to understand the water cycle and the process of precipitation. Fill a jar with hot water, then cover the top with a plate of ice. This setup mimics the conditions in the atmosphere where warm air rises and cools, leading to condensation. Watch as condensation forms and rains down the sides of the jar. This is a small-scale demonstration of how clouds form and eventually lead to rainfall. It's fascinating to see the water droplets gather and fall just like real rain. Create a cloud in a bottle. This experiment is a fantastic way to visualize how clouds form in the sky. By creating the right conditions inside a bottle, you can see the magic of cloud formation up close. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol to a plastic bottle, then pump air into it with a bicycle pump. The alcohol helps to create the right conditions for cloud formation by providing condensation nuclei. Watch as a cloud forms when you release the pressure. The sudden drop in pressure causes the air to cool and the alcohol vapor to condense into tiny droplets, forming a cloud. It's like having your own personal weather system in a bottle. Build a barometer. Use a balloon, a jar, a straw, and some tape to create your own barometer that measures air pressure changes. This simple device can help you predict weather changes by observing the movement of the straw. These experiments are a fun way to learn about the science behind weather phenomena and to explore the world around you. By engaging in these hands-on activities, you can gain a deeper understanding of how weather works and develop a greater appreciation for the natural world. So grab your materials and start experimenting today. You don't need a fancy lab coat or a degree in meteorology to be a weather watcher. Pay attention to the weather every day. What do you see? What do you feel? Keep a weather journal and track the changes over time. You can also learn about different types of clouds, what they mean, and how to predict the weather based on their shapes and movements. By observing the weather, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and the powerful forces that shape our planet. Congratulations, science superstars! You've created your own tornado in a bottle, explored the science behind it, and learned some fun facts about real tornadoes. But our journey into the world of science doesn't end here. Keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and keep exploring the wonders of the world around you. Remember, science is everywhere, and it's waiting for you to discover its secrets. Stay curious, my friends.